First of all, let's talk about China. With over 600 gigawatts of installed solar capacity, China is in a league of its own. China added more solar capacity than the US has installed in its entire history. That's mind blowing. But here is the catch: China's population is over 1.4 billion. When you scale this number per person, China actually ranked 19th globally. It's like having a huge pizza but a lot of people to share it with. On a per capita basis, countries like the Netherlands, Australia and Germany are leading the push toward solar capacity. Now let's talk about the reach of Chinese solar panel. They are everywhere. The Netherlands is the biggest importer of Chinese solar panel, buying up 23% of China's solar exports since 2021. In fact, 89% of the Netherlands' total solar import are from China, although 60% of these are exported to other countries. Australia is also a massive buyer, with more than 90% of its solar panel coming from China. Australia has the world's highest rate of rooftop solar. More than 1 in 3 households have solar panel, but only 1% of these are made in Australia. Let's move on to India. India is one of the global south greatest solar success stories. It is the 5th largest country in terms of on-grid solar capacity and the 4th largest in solar power generation. The incredibly low cost of solar energy in India, the lowest among G20 countries, is largely due to India heavily reliance on Chinese solar imports. In fact, the majority of India's solar import come from China. In some months, as much as 99% of India's solar import are from China. However, India is starting to shift its focus to Southeast Asia and is also trying to develop its own solar manufacturing industry. Now, India is starting out its own solar manufacturing unit. Adani is leading in it, but it's take time. India manufactures solar, but we still buy basic components from China. But it will go down drastically in coming year. Even India allows visa permit for Chinese to set up our own solar manufacturing shop. They have much greater experience. Next time I will tell you about why India still needs China to grow and why we failed in Atmanirbharta. There is a strong relationship between a country dependence on Chinese solar import and its solar capacity. Countries that import more Chinese solar panel have built more solar capacity. I analyzed data from several sources and mapped out this relationship. Even after controlling for population and GDP, having 1% more solar import from China from 2017 to 2021 is associated with having 0.55% more solar capacity in 2022. This does not necessarily mean that Chinese solar import causes an increase in solar capacity, but there is a strong connection between the two. Chinese account for more than 80% of global solar module production capacity and dominates every stage of solar manufacturing, from polysilicon production to solar panels. You can't talk about transitioning to clean energy without mentioning China's roles as a major producer and exporter of clean energy goods. There is big debate about China's solar overcapacity. China's solar export have grown dramatically since the 2000s, triggered by renewable energy policies of Europe. More recently, Chinese solar export have shifted towards Asia, especially Southeast Asia. Some European countries like Germany are considering limits on Chinese solar import, but this is facing pushback from Europe's solar power industry. They argue that protectionist measures against Chinese solar import would slow down Europe's transition into clean energy. Meanwhile, China's own consumption of solar panels have surged from 2017 to 2023. China's solar capacity grew by 368%. This kind of growth hardly sounds like underconsumption. US Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen has warned against China's excess capacity building in new industries like solar, EV and lithium-ion batteries. Others point out the shrinking profit margin among Chinese solar manufacturers as price for solar panel plummet. But I would argue two key points against claim about China's solar overcapacity. Solar is still only 16% of the world's power generation capacity, which is largely dominated by coal and gas, and 2023 was the hottest year on record but in terms of average global temperature. If we are serious about tackling climate change, we are going to need a lot more solar panels. In my conclusion, the world push for solar energy is heavily influenced by China, from their massive solar capacity to their dominance in solar manufacturing. China play a crucial role in the global solar market, and we move towards a greener future. Understanding this dynamic is a key, and India and USA are now making progress in manufacture solar to be competitive like China. China, on other hand, totally automating their factory, focusing on efficiency and economy of scale. It's like how cheap you can make your product if the other side is making much more cheaper and their quality is much more advanced than yours. China is now dominating force in solar industry, but countries are now looking for options other than China due to trade war and clash of ideology.